Happy morning, student. Today we are going to see the cell division. I hope you all are active in this class. Here, a cell division. What we are seeing that previous lesson, that is the previous class, a nerve cell and muscular tissue, right? I hope you have to remember the topic. So today we are going to see the cell division. Here, a cell, which I mean that is a single cell, and here a division. Division na a single cell are divided as a two daughter cell. So this is the what cell division. Have you ever wondered that how organism are formed from the single cell due to the cell division? Okay, here a majorly a cell division comes under the three major types of cell division. First one is the amitosis. What is the first one? Amitosis, and second one is the mitosis, and third one is the meiosis. So this is the three major type of a cell division. If we see that one by one, the first one we are having the mitosis. Here they are given another name also, that is the direct cell division. What is another name to here? Direct division. And next one mitosis is there, no, that is the indirect division. Indirect division. And last one meiosis, that is the reduction division. Reduction division. Okay, first you have to know that what is the meaning of a direct, indirect and reduction division. Here the first one mitosis, that is the amitosis. So absence of mitotic stages. Here mitosis, they are having some stages to that. Here absence of some stages in the mitosis, that is the amitosis. A nale absence da. Okay va, there is the amitosis, a direct division. ஒரு செல் இருக்கும், just they are direct divided into two daughter cell. ஓகேவா, மேஜராக எங்கே நடக்கணும்? ஏஜிங் செல்ஸ், யூனிசெல்லுலாரு, ஃபீட்டல்னா ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டேஜஸ் ஆஃப் அ செல் இல்லையா, அதான் ஃபீட்டல் செல். அப்போது ஏமைட்டாசிஸ் as a direct division and a mitosis indirect division. அப்போது indirect ஒரு செல்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே, தேர் ஹேவிங் சம் ஜெனட்டிக் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செல்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஜெனட்டிக் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபார்ம் ஆகி ஒரு ஸ்டேஜ்க்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தேர் ஹேவிங் சம் ஸ்டேஜஸ் இன் த செல் டிவிஷன். ஓகே, அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் தேர் ஃபார்மிங் ஆஃப் லேட்டர்லி தேர் ஃபார்மிங் ஆஃப் டாட்டர் செல். ஹியர் மியாசிஸ், ரிடக்ஷன் டிவிஷன். யூஸ்வலாக ரிடக்ஷன் டிவிஷனாலே தேர் ஃபியூஷன் ஆஃப் மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் கேமெட்ஸ். மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் கேமெட்ஸ் ஃபியூஷன் ஆனால் they carry the information off of the from the parents, off of the from the male and off of from the uh, the off of the from the female. Okay, so a combination of both male and female, they are having some stages, that is the reduction division. Okay, let me see that one by one. First one we are having the amitosis. What is the first one we are having here? Amitosis. We already say that that is the direct division. So a simplest mode of division. Here what is here? A simplest mode of division. Here in the simplest mode of division mostly occur in there three type of a cell. First one is the aging cell. What is the first one? Aging cell. And unicellular and third one is the fetal cell. So those are three type of a cell mostly occur in the amitotic cell division. Okay ma, here we already say that a single cell just divide as a two daughter cell. The first one, here they are having a nucleus. At the time of a cell division, what will be happen na? Normal nucleus are just they go for the elongation phase. They happen here, just go for the elongation. Elongation ஆகும்னா equal divide ஆகணும். Okay, and next one, here elongation will happen, no. Next one, cell wall பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா construction மாதிரி form ஆகும். Okay, here this is what ma construction. Construction form acha. Upon nucleus, they want to divide in equally. And here finally to divide as a a two daughter cell equal distribution of a nucleus. And now here this is the construction appearance of a second stage followed the cytoplasm is divided into two daughter. First என்னாச்சு elongation ஆச்சு, construction appear ஆச்சு எங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா cell wall and next பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா cytoplasmலையும் they are happening of a division. So finally they are forming a two daughter cell. This is the what amitosis. Okay, so that's it for an amitosis. Let me move on the next one. And next we are having the mitosis. Here the next one we are having mitosis. Mitosis, which means two, a division of a two daughter cell. Okay, here a first discovered of a mitosis cell division is a Fleming. Who's discovered the mitosis? Fleming in the year of 1879. Okay ma, Fleming had discovered the mitosis. Mitosis no cell division இருக்கிறது find out பண்ணது யாருன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா Fleming in the year of 1879. Here what is a mitosis? We already say na, one parent cell divided as a two daughter cell. And here they are having an equal distribution of a nucleus also, that is the DNA. Okay ma, equal distribution of a genetic material to the daughter cell. Okay, here they are having a equal distribution, so that they are having a two type of events of a cell division. Two events. If they are asking a 2 marks now, what are the events of involved in the cell division? Just have to write that two events. First one is the karyokinesis. And next one is the cytokinesis. Here karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyo, where it is occur. Karyo occur in that nucleus part. Okay ma, where it is occur in the nucleus. And here cytokinesis occur in the cytoplasm. So first thing karyokinesis nucleus நடக்கும், cytokinesis cyto, okay so cytoplasm. அப்போ cytokinesis occur in the cytokinesis occur in the cytoplasm part of a cell. Okay, and here first thing they are having a interface. Okay, before the karyokinesis, first thing they are having a interface. Interனால என்னமா, what is an inter? இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஈவென்ட்ஸ் நடக்குதுன்னா இன் பிட்வீன் தேர் ஹேவிங் இன் பிட்வீனில் எதனா ஒரு ஒகேஷ்னலாக எதனா ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸோ இல்லை ஈவெண்ட்ஸோ எதனா நடந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஜஸ்ட் தேர் கிவன் அ பிரேக், ரைட்? சேம் லைக் தட் ஹியர் இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் இஸ் எ இன்டர்வல் பிட்வீன். ஓகேம்மா, எதுக்கு இன்டர்வல் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா இந்த சக்சஸிவ் செல் டிவிஷனுக்கு நடுவில் இன்டர்வல். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் an interface. Okay, we move on. First thing karyokinesis, and next one we are having the cytokinesis. Okay, we have to see the karyokinesis. Here the next topic we are having the karyokinesis. We already said na karyokinesis, which mean a division of a nucleus. Where the division has taken place here, a division of that nucleus part. Okay, and division of a nucleus into what? Here two daughter nuclei. So this is the karyokinesis. Before the division they are having some stages of a cell division to be here. They are considered of 4 phases. How many phases to be here? 4 phases. The first one is the prophase. What is the first one? Prophase. And next one is the metaphase. And next one is the anaphase. And next one is the telophase. So this is the 4 phases of a cell division. Here a first one, prophase, which means a first. Okay, meta, which means they are divided as a 2. And here ana, after the cell division of a metaphase, that is the ana. Ana nale upன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, வெட்டி நம்ம பயாலஜியில் anatomy, which mean up. Okay, up under 2. And next one telo, that is a last. last phases of a cell division. So majorly they are involved in the four phases. Let me see that one by one. A first one we are having a what? Prophase. A prophase is a first stage, that is the first phase of cell division. Here chromosome get shorter and thick. Before the cell division, how their cells are presented now? Just like this. Here a chromosome are presented here, and they are having a nucleus. And this is a normal cells are usually having a chromosome and nucleus like this. And next, if you go for, if they go for a prophase stage, a first one, a chromosome thick shorter, get thick, shorter and narrow, just like this. Here what will be happen? A chromosome get thick, shorter and narrow. And next one here, now you have to visible to the clearly, right? Before that chromosome they are having, before that thick and shorter, they are just having a thread like chromosome. After that thick and shorter is clearly visible to us. First thing, a cell division, they are forming of an centriole. What will be formed here? Centriole. Just in that prophase stage, the first forming of a centriole in that opposite direction. Opposite direction la form agum. What is the name here? Centriole. A centrioles are split into two, and they are having some stages. I will say that a centrioles are present in the opposite pole. Each centriole are surrounded as a spindle fiber. Okay ma, each centrioles spindle fibers nala surround ஆயிருக்கும், just like this. They are surrounded by the spindle fiber. Here a nucleus is, this is the nucleus na, is slowly disappeared in the stage. Centrioles form ஆகும்போது nucleus slow disappeared ஆயிடும். Okay, so for this, that is the for the prophase. Okay, so we are complete the prophase stage. Just easy thing. Okay, first thing, a chromosome என்ன ஆகும்? ஷார்ட்டரும் திக்காகவும் ஆகும். இந்த ஸ்டேஜில் நம்மளால் குரோமோசோமை ஈஸியாக விசிபிள் பண்ண முடியும். At that time, they are forming of a centriole in the opposite direction. A spindle fibers are surrounded the centriole. A nucleolus easy to disappear in the stage. Okay, next one we are having the metaphase. What is the next stage ma? Metaphase. Here a metaphase, arrangement of equatorial plan. Meta nale two thane, so they are arrangement of equatorial plan.